Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Camtasia tutorial how to cut video. As example, I will insert this video into track and then you can split video by clicking split all. So I will click at this timeline, right click and then click on split all. So we have these two clip. So I will select this clip and then if you want to cut, you can click this icon. So I will move again this video into here. And then if you want to paste the clip before, you can use the paste tool. So to be paste the cutting clip. I will click again at this point and then you can right click to split. And then I will select this clip. You can use these tools to cut and then use again paste tools to paste the cutting clip. Okay, that's it for basic Camtasia tutorial how to cut video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.